guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be doing update 7 to my 20 in 2024. I did really want to quickly update. At my last update, I believe I said I had hit 10 goals so far in this project, and that was incorrect. I had missed and not included the goals that I had hit at either that update or the most recent one. I actually have hit 13 goals at my most recent update, and now let's hop into the products that we still have included to see if we've added any more to that 20 goal. First, let's start with my Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow. There has been an unfortunate event. It no longer has a cap. There was a tiny cut. I think I took this on a plane and the pressure caused it to kind of pop, and then the area of where it was cut got worse and worse and worse until the top got stuck in it. So I have transferred all of the product that I can possibly squeeze out. I have really done my best. I know it looks like there's product, but I can't get it out, and I'm not cutting it open more and scraping out every last little bit into this old Ilia concealer container. So this is all of the foundation that I have left. I am going to use this up over the next month with certainty, and then we will finally have this out of my collection. I am so ready to be done with this foundation. It's really not my favorite, and I am excited to be done with it. Next, we have the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer and Eraser, and this is empty. I have taken, well, this topper was already taken out at my last update, but I have scraped out every last little bit of product that I possibly can, and this is another empty for 2024. Then I believe the next product that I had included is my Nude Sticks Sweet Cheeks, or Nudies blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks. This is a beautiful, beautiful blush. My goal was 30 uses on this product. I had used it 17 times at my last update, and I used it an additional 14 times for a total of 31 uses, and then this can be rolled out of this project. This color is truly just so beautiful, and I was really happy to be wearing it this month. I'm also happy because I definitely have gotten some use on it. These are usually flush with the packaging when they first start, so I've used a good bit of the product from this stick, and who knows, maybe in a future year I could get this completely used up. Next, I have this Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick in the shade Au Naturel. This has been in the project since the very beginning, and I will insert a picture now of what the progress is looking like. I did really good this past month. I don't know if you are aware, but I did my makeup every day in the month of July, so this got a lot of use. I also had a lot of bright lips. I've been rolled into this project, and I started just taking this all over my lid and up into my crease, and then putting a shimmery shadow over it. That's probably how I use this up the most. I also did try using it as an eyeshadow base, but it has a slight bit of shimmer to it, and so I don't really like using this under matte eyeshadows. I don't know if you can see, but there's definitely a little bit of a sheen to it, so I'm not going to use this all over every day as an eyeshadow base, but I will continue using it as a sticky base to layer shimmers over. I completely forgot to include earlier the Creme Shop Eyebrow Pom Pom in the shade Taupe, and this is what the product was looking like last month. I've been working on one side of it to try and really concentrate my progress, and here is what it is looking like this month. So there's definitely a difference. I am getting down to the last little bit of product. I might even get this finished up a month or two early if I'm good about using this all the time, but I am very, very happy to be seeing some really tangible progress on this. And I'm starting to think about what I'm going to want to replace this with when I'm done, because I haven't bought an eyebrow product in years. So this will be, well, I've bought an eyebrow gels because sometimes I do like to go in with a gel as well as this, but I haven't purchased a colorant in a long time, so now I get to explore again, which will be wild. we have this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in the shade Champagne Pop. This is old. My goal for this is 10 uses. At my last update, I had used it 0 times. And now this past update month, I used it once. So clearly going super well, but that was my goal with this. I really wanted to like see how difficult this was for me to use, because I've had this as my goal to pan in years past and I just never get to it. And I just really wanted to know, like, is that a me thing? Is that the product? Is it old? Is this just not something that I want in my collection anymore? And the fact that it's taken me 2 months to use it once, I think is kind of telling, but I want to still focus on getting all 10 uses out of this, even if it takes me the rest of the year. I just want to see, because forcing myself to use it 10 times, if it's not meant for me anymore, I will definitely know what those 10 uses. And then the last product is this Pixie Clarity Acid Peel. I was up here this past month and now I'm down here. I will mark it after this, but this is almost done, and I think this is another one that will definitely be used up next month. So hopefully we'll have this and my foundation as rollouts in the upcoming month. So that is all that I have for the products that have carried over from previous months. And now let's hop into products that I'm going to be introducing into this project. So I decided to roll in 3 products today. The first is going to be another blush to continue rotating through everything. And this is the Tarte 24-Hour Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party Dress. This is a very similar shade to the blush that I had rolled in at my last update, but a little bit peachier, whereas this I think is a little bit more pink. So this I want to use 30 times. I've been wearing it a little bit this past month and I'm wearing it today and it looks very pretty. So I'm going to roll this in and use it a little bit more, and then maybe by the end of the 30 uses, that'll be like September or October, and I'll be done with these peachier looks and maybe moving into some more cool toned looks again. The next product is to replace the concealer. I have a couple concealers in my collection right now, so I wanted to use up one that was more suited to this summertime and this deeper shade that I've been wearing, and that for me will be the YSL Touche Éclat Radiant Touch in the shade 4.5. This is a pretty deep concealer compared to the other ones in my collection, so I am hoping to get this used up and out of my collection by the end of the year. And then the last product is this CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Pressed Powder, and I have it in the shade Classic Beige. This is actually almost used up, but I do want to make sure that I actually get it used up this year. I know sometimes when products start to just have a lot of pan like this, it's easy to set them aside and not want to reach for them because they're a little bit more difficult to use. Maybe you have to repress them. So I am going to make it a goal to use this up. So that is everything for today's update. 3 new products and 1 product rolled out, or 2 products rolled out. So that's kind of keeping in the same vein, 1 in, 1 out. And most of all, I am really excited for this upcoming update to see the kind of progress that we have. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you are having an incredible, amazing day wherever you are, and that I get to see you in a future video. Thanks, guys.